Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Great. Now, before we start our class, please stand up for our prayer. May I request the classroom president to lead the prayer? Okay, thank you. Now, before you take your seats, please pick up pieces of papers under your chair. Okay, thank you. And now let us check your attendance. Say present once your name is called. It's nice to know that no one is absent today. Let's give a very good clap to everyone. Okay. Now let's review. Let's have our review about our topic yesterday. Okay, yesterday we discussed about Christian. Okay, thank you. And now what is pronoun? Yes, Laura, you're raising your hand. Very good. Now, who among you here can give me some example about pronoun? Don't answer in chorus, just raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Stephanie? Excellent. Now, use I, we, and they in a sentence. Very good. I'm glad that you really understand our lesson. Okay, we can now proceed to our next topic. Are you all excited? Let's begin with a group activity. Are you ready? Okay, now I will divide the class into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. I will give you a pieces of papers with words written in it. And what are you going to do is to arrange the words in order to make a sentence. Okay, and you will be given 4 minutes to answer. And if you hear this, it means your time is up. And you will present your output in the class. Okay, are we all clear? Oh, excellent, class. Thank you for cooperating. I am pleased that you were able to finish the task given to you. Let's give a fantastic clap to everyone. Now let's discuss your answer. Anybody who can tell me what did you observe in the following sentences? Very good observation, because today we will tackle about the voices of verb. Who among you here have an idea about the voices of verb? Yes, Rachel. Very good. Verb have characteristic called voice, and voice tells whether the sentence in the subject is acted upon or so doing and the acting. Only transitive verbs have voice. The two voices of verbs are active and passive voice. Now, what is active voice? Group 1, kindly read. Thank you, class. Class, remember that the sentence with the active voice follow the subject, verb, and object pattern. Let's take a look at the first example here. The cashier counted the money. Now tell me the reason why is it active voice? Yes? Okay. Now can you give me another example about the active voice? Yes, Jessa? Okay. Very well said. Now let's talk about the second type of voice. Group 1, kindly read the definition on the board. Thank you, Group 2. Class, remember that the passive voice is formed by adding a correct form of the helping verb be to the past participle. Let's take a look in the example here. Okay. The money was counted by the cashier. What have you noticed? Yes, Leia? Very good. It becomes passive voice because the subject is the one who received the action and it follows the object, verb, and subject pattern. Give me another example as well. Excellent. How about the others? Yes, Nicole. Very good. It is easy to understand, right? Now, class, let us remember that the two kinds of voices of verb, the active voice and the passive voice. Now, what is the difference between the two? Another hand, please. Okay, yes, Angel. Very good. I think you really understand our lesson today. Now we will have an activity to test your knowledge. In the same group, you will make 5 sentences in active voice and another 5 sentences in passive voice. You need to answer in just 5 minutes. Any questions, clarifications? Okay, you may start answering. Now, each group will choose their representative to present their output in front of the class. Okay, excellent. Give hands to everyone because you have done a great job. Now, get 1/4 sheet of paper. Read the direction in the questionnaire given to you. Okay, read each sentences carefully and identify their function. Write AC if the sentence is active voice and PC if the sentence is passive voice. And for your assignment, make 5 sentences in active voice and another 5 in passive voice and underline the noun, verb, and subject pattern. Okay, and write it in a 1/4 sheet of paper. Any question, class? Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.